Here's a tip. When you're going to bring your survey into a new file, we now want to use an X reference. So open your external references. This dialog box can be opened by typing IM and then it'll show up. Go up here to this drop down menu and say attach DWG. And then we want to select our project, in this case 24225, and make sure that the file that you're X-referencing is located in the root directory of the same file that you're working on. In this case, we're working on the CP14. And so we're going to XREF this survey, open that up, and then you're given two options to attach or overlay. If you do an overlay, none of the nested objects will link to the main project, and if you link the main project XREF to another drawing, the overlay will not show through. So we want to choose attachment for the survey only. Any other XREFs that we do will typically be overlay, but for the survey, choose attachment and click OK. And then now this survey is XREF'd into this file, and we can still use our layering system and navigate the layers the way that we normally would. Everything works fine, but it's actually an overlay or an XREF in a different file, so that kind of protects it, keeps us from accidentally messing with it. But that's how we want to bring surveys into our drawing files now, and that's it.